Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a really gorgeous little Saint Laurent to show you today. So this is a Saint Laurent toy puffer bag, and it's in the colour called Blanc Vintage. So it's a lovely vintagey cream colour. We've got one long shoulder strap, so that is chain and leather. And then we have a flat closure with that YSL badge on the front with a press stud fasten. And then inside, got black fabric lining. And we've got one little zipped pocket there. And then on the opposite side, you can see got two little card slots there as well. So the condition of this Saint Laurent, we've called it very good all around. There's just a couple of really tiny little marks. So you can see just there. Again, it's really hard actually to see it on the camera because it is very tiny. So a little mark just there. And then a little mark just there as well. So that is the exterior. The hardware, you can see that badge and that strap are all in a lovely condition. They've still got that really nice gold tone, but on this press stud fasten, just right in the center on each bit, there's just a little bit of wear to that fasten. So that's why I've called the hardware very good. And then the interior, again, there's just really tiny little marks. So just there's a little mark and a little one just there too. So that is why I've called the interior very good. I'll show you what it comes with. It's got a few little bits coming with it. So we've got the Saint Laurent dust bag, as well as Saint Laurent box. And then we've got the little Saint Laurent envelope, little card envelope, and then inside there, we've got a few bits. So we've got the control card just there, and then we have the RFID little booklet too, and then we've got the authenticity card, as well as the care guide and little product tag too. Got a little Saint Laurent product tag as well. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this toy puffer bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact Saint Laurent, so you'll find some more details on there. It should hopefully take you directly to the Saint Laurent, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to your generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you really love it, all you need to do is let us know, and then we'll pop you on our request list. And that just means when you're on our request list, that just means as soon as we get in another one like it, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully when we get in another one, you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements and more details, again, will be in the link in the description below. But I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I'll just come back here and show you that on me. So you can pop it on your shoulder like that, or it's a nice long strap, so it sits really nicely crossbody as well. And it's just a lovely little size that you can definitely fit your essentials into. So it's a gorgeous little bag in a really lovely colour. And this leather as well is a puffer bag, so it's got a lovely kind of pillowy texture and feel to it. So again, if you wanted more details on it, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous little pieces like this one that we have to show you. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page on our website too. So if you've got any pieces of Arm Candy that you would like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, and we'd love to see everything you have for us. So have a read through that process on there, and we will see you later with some more Arm Candy.